Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example video of a front clip. Today we have a 2025 Kia K5. This one is being purchased by a customer quite a ways off. We're freight shipping it to him, so it's in the pre-shipment stage. It's been inspected, checked out. He's actually buying in color, so we're checking for anything that we find damage-wise in color, so he's not disappointed. He loved the first one. Happy to come back for a second one. So as you can see, if you're buying a front clip from us, this is exactly how you get it if you're picking it up. Again, we're freight shipping this, so it's a whole different scenario, quite a bit of expense. And I've got example videos on my channel here. If you want to take a look, you'll find perfect examples of how we wrap up a front clip. If you have a question about shipping costs, be happy to talk to you about it. Just shoot me a message or an email, and we can figure out the logistics and the costs involved. We'll swing around here and get you under the hood to see what all is included with our front clip, but as you can see from the exterior, hood, fenders, both headlights, the front bumper cover, the reinforcements hiding in there. Under the hood is all the cooling. Over here we have the air cleaner and the splash shield. That's pre-shipment stuff that's being taken care of. Get you under the hood and show you what we got. So as mentioned, under the hood you will find the radiator, the condenser, and the fans, cooling pack as it's known, still in place. Couple motor mounts in here. That's not always the case, but if we can't use them and identify them in our inventory system, we will gladly leave them in the vehicle for you. It's a nice little bonus. You get the washer bottle and the overflow bottle. Booster is there. Again, not always included. The fuse box is there. That is part of it. We've got AC lines and radiator hoses. They are plugged and capped. They are not cut. I encourage all our dismantlers to do that. As you can see, also rad support and all of the trimmings, as we call it. So hood insulation, hinges, cowl cover. This one has the wiper arms. Again, that's a sometimes not. But if you have a question, please ask. I'll be happy to take a look, and we can get quite specific for you. So again, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Shoot me an email. Find me on any of the social media sites. Just look Jared Weber Bros or JaredWeberBros@gmail and email. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.